A stack is an element in Speare that allows you to create a document that's made up of multiple pages. Essentially, this allows you to organize your documents into different sections, which you can then easily navigate and reorganize by drag and drop. There are two ways to create a stack. One way is to come over to the landing zone and click on the new stack icon here. We can then give this stack a name. We'll call it Demo Stack. And then if we just click anywhere on the stack, it'll add the first page to the stack over here. If you don't see this table of contents panel, you can just click on this button here. The other way to create a stack is by going to the Library panel and then clicking on the Stacks tab. And from here you can see all the stacks in your account, and you can create a new one by clicking this button here. Alright, so let's come back over to this stack for a second, and let's talk a little bit about the basics of how stacks work. So as you've already seen, you can navigate the stack simply by clicking on the pages in the table of contents, and you can reorder the pages inside the stack by drag and drop. You'll notice these gray bars over here, and that just shows us where the beginning and end of each page is. Each page can contain as much content as you want, so the page can be as short or as long as you want, essentially. If you want to add a new page to the stack, you can click here, and if you want to add a new folder to the stack, you can click here. You can also add pages to a stack from elsewhere in the app. So for example, let's say I wanted to add this to-do list to the stack. I can just do so by drag and drop. And now you can see it at the bottom there. If I don't want this to-do list page in the stack anymore, I can just click on the menu and then click the Remove Page from Stack option. If we want to share this stack with somebody, we can come over here to the Share button, click on that, and then click on the Create Link button. And this will create a shareable link which we can copy and send to whoever we want. If we want to export this stack, we can click on the menu button here, and we can either export this as a PDF or as a markdown file. Additionally, we have some options to duplicate the stack, as well as delete it, and then down at the bottom here we have some basic stats. And that concludes our overview of stacks.